Cybertruck-inspired Tesla Model M bike is a bossy cafe racer. Cybertruck-inspired bike. Okay.
I've seen a few of these CAD drawings, but nothing. Oh, this is also a CAD drawing?
Well,
Yeah,
it's animated.
a concept. It's kind of cool, you know?
Yeah, you got like you got the same type of paneling, stainless steel looking paneling on the side.
Mm-hmm.
This is by Victor Rodriguez. The Striking Cafe Racer. What is that? Is that like a theme for bikes that I'm unaware of? Cafe racers? What is that supposed to be? Like a slim type of e-bike? Like electric bike? You take to the cafe? Maybe.
I don't know.
Oh, there's quite a few examples of cafe racers. It's like got an anime element to it. Oh my god, that one is sick.
This one?
Oh my
the
god.
Honda one?
Oh my god.
Not very ergonomic, though.
Oh my god, but like, it's so striking.
Yeah.
See, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. It doesn't have the fact that it doesn't make sense is the reason that it stirs you up.
Yeah.
You go, oh, I got to pay attention. I got to be on guard. This might be poison. Have I been poisoned?
There's a lot of cool EV bikes right now that have like
you know what I'm talking about, the poison?
Yeah, like the Striking.
No, the poison.
What? Like
Completely disregard what he's saying.
No, I'm hearing you, but
Stop disregarding me, Mo.
yeah, okay. What do you mean by poison?
When your body thinks that it's been poisoned, like an external stimulus, dizziness or something.
Yeah.
This is one response some people have to VR. The inputs are not matching up. The body thinks that there's something catastrophically wrong.
Like reading while driving. Or
and all of a sudden, your heart rate is elevated, and nothing's actually wrong with you, but all the signals and symptoms are
saying that there is something wrong.
This is the design equivalent.
Yeah.
This is the clickbait of design. Is like, something must be wrong. I should pay attention.
Oh, comes in yellow.
You know what?
All of a sudden, you like it. Take a little time.
I'll buy it.
No.
Cafe racers were the old motorcycles. People would chop up old bikes and make them more aero and go race them. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Shout out
There you
Rocky
go.
Summertime in the chat. Lovely.
Like sleepers.
Yeah, so this is a Cybertruck inspired version of that. I love
The hollow wheel?
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew you'd like that. Sandors is a bike EV bike company. They have something that's
How do you spell that?
SONDORS.
Go ahead, Will. We'll pick one of these up.
It's super cheap, $7,000. Very cheap.
Well, maybe for you.
But I mean, for a bike.
Barbecuing by the pool over here.
No, Sandors. Go to their. It's called Metacycle. Oh,
Mad Mods mid drive.
There.
Oh,
M tag. There you go. It's right there.
That's the one.
Ooh, that's kind of cool.
This isn't the one.
you're talking
kind of cool.
hubless, right?
Mo, it's kind of
Yeah,
cool.
no, it's very cool. Look at the hollowness in the middle, but the wheels.
Oh, look, they're in our studio right there. You don't like that?
No, I think that's very cool.
Okay.
I'm the one who told you about it.
Well, but you keep saying this is not it.
Well, yes.
Is it without the hubs, the spokes?
Yeah,
and
so it
stuff?
didn't have those. But
Maybe it was a
you know what? I
concept.
might be wrong. Yeah, you're right. Look at that. That's so cool, man. That's so cool.
That's Novus. I'll take that. What's the matter, Will?
Like, I'm Google image shopping. I'm like, that one. I like that one.
That's the one I was talking about. He's like, this one? No, that one.
Yeah, it's very cool.
Yeah.
But anyways, these are some cool bikes.
Well, that's sick right there. Airless tires as well. It's hard with the concepts. People just do whatever they want. And then, like,
I
whether...
don't believe this is a concept. I believe this is...
No, certainly the first one there
they're
is
in
a
our
real
studio.
product.
Yeah.
We have that in our studio?
No, the image that they show.
Does it look a little small? Like on that guy, when you scroll up, the guy that's on it? That guy. Does it look like a little
It does look
small?
a
Yeah.
bit small, eh?
You're
I
right.
don't know.
I like the headlight, though.
I don't know if it matters that it's small. I mean, maybe get into
Like city driving?
tight spaces and stuff. It's pretty cool. Way to go, Mo.
Okay. I got more bikes if you want to know about bikes.
Oh, a bike guy?
I've been looking at some EV bikes. They're
What are you
cool.
gonna do with it?
No, what do you mean? I just think it's cool.
Oh,
I'm
you
not
don't
gonna
do it. You don't do
No,
anything with it.
No, I don't have my M1 or anything.
You just look at it.
Yeah, I think just
Okay.
some. Look at that! Like that is so cool. It's a little piece of glass that gives you your directions.
Yeah.
Well, look at this. Shout out Raphael. He says, Lou, Mo, and Willie do. I as well deliver from the Rio Grande Valley close to SpaceX to Corpus Christi, Texas. Thanks for the content on CNN Plus Ultra Pro.
Love it.
We appreciate it, obviously. Yeah, Victor Rodriguez, cool design.
Shout out.
He